Hey, welcome to Tool Time John. The folks over at Rebluum, Rebluum, reached out to me asking me to test out this video camera. It is a solar powered all-in-one deal, and it's supposed to be really good. The model number is VZ-3B1. And if you're interested in this, I'll put a product link in the description box. And basically, we'll just see what it does. You can actually see all the specifications by clicking on the link. So I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time showing you the box and everything. So let's just get to unboxing it. Nice little sticker, put on your house. Quick startup guide. There's the camera with the mount already attached. Solar panels integrated. You got your camera, you got your sensors, and I believe that's the light, infrared sensor also. Let's see, on the bottom is to charge it, as well as a micro SD card. All right, what else is in here? Type C USB cable, little drill screw guide for the base, and your anchors and screws. So everything's in here. So what do we need to do? Okay, it looks like it uses the Cloud Edge app, and depending on which system you're on, you get to scan that. There it is, Cloud Edge. Got it downloaded. Okay, so now got to scan the QR code on the body. Comes up as battery camera.
Hold the device power button to start the device.
Okay. Yep, as well as there's a power button and a reset button. Okay. Oh, looks like there's power. Please stay near to your router for the best signal.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Connecting. Please wait a moment.
Did the wee-hoo. Okay, so it looks like it's connected. Please use the adapter to fully charge the camera before using it. Alrighty. While this is charging, let's see if these other features work. So the light. Oh yeah. Try the siren. Says it's loud. Okay. I guess it could be louder. And then you can actually see the live. Yeah, it's going crazy. So we'll let it charge to full strength and come back to it. I think the ideal location for this one is right up here. That way it'll be able to pick up anybody that's coming down the driveway. There it is. It's pretty sleek. I mean, you wouldn't really notice it initially, I think. Yeah, we'll see how that does. Okay, just giving you a look from the app. It's very clear, especially during the day, and you can zoom in. You can see the graininess, but that's probably about 30 feet away, that flag from the camera. And then just to kind of go over the app itself, depending on your Wi-Fi connection, it could take a bit. There's a live view, again zooming in on the truck that's in the driveway. and all the various other functions that you can access. So history, I don't have an SD card in there, but it comes with cloud, where you get 6-second recordings for 30 days. And you can see just going through all the various motion detection events. And in the settings, it'll tell you, what your signal strength is, your battery power. If you wanted to do more in the cloud, there's a paid model for about $3 a month. And AI intelligent analysis, where it detects humanoids, pets, and etc. That would be on the paid model. And here you can adjust your sensitivity for detection, as well as your camera settings. And for image settings, it comes with the intelligent vision as standard. I would just leave it at that. Sound settings, pretty simple and direct. Video encryption, I don't know if you want to remember a password and all that. I mean, if you're on a closed Wi-Fi, I think you're going to be okay. Here it shows, your recording management, no SD card. And then in general settings, there's a bunch of other things to look at as well. On the battery management, I don't know why they have a schematic of charging, but the electricity usage statistics is interesting. Now, obviously I don't have a whole lot of data there, but that's what it'll show you. And then of course you can share the camera view with others. They'd have to download the app also, and you would give them access. And then last is, if you have an Alexa device, then you can connect this to that. So, pretty cool. And there's lights and strobes and all kinds of other things that you can do. Here, you can actually set up your alert management area. So, you can drag the various corners of wherever you want to cover. And it's recommended not to have it out on the front street, because your detection settings will keep going off and off and off. Okay, so it's nighttime. I'm out on the front porch. The porch itself is well lit, but I'm going to take you around to where the camera is, and I'll show you just how dark that driveway is at night. So you can tell it's very, very dark. And I do have a solar powered motion security light that will come on when it wants to. Just like that. And I'm going to have to figure out the settings, but that camera is recording. I'm in the backyard where we've got a lot of light. Let's see what the footage looks like at night, and then put in the video. See what you think. Also, there you go. Actually, setting up the camera took way longer than installing the camera. And I'll figure out the rest of the settings, alarm management, that kind of thing. But at least you've got the initial impressions of this camera. And for what it costs, I think it's a pretty dang good deal. So anyway, let me know your comments, questions, and things like that. I'm happy to answer them and happy to respond. If you like this video, go ahead and like it and subscribe. It helps me out, as you know. And again, if you're interested in the product for purchasing, I will have the link in the description itself. And then as an Amazon affiliate, I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So appreciate the view. And until next time, you take care. See ya.